Welcome back again, everybody, to Funky D's Star TV News Time. The news say bandits strike again. It is time for the FG to declare state of emergency in the north. Now, in the north, that I tell you, I don't tell you before about waiting will become of the southwest and the southeastern part of the country soon, if that country not disintegrate. Now wahala all of una dey. Not be only the north. As it happen in the north, and so it happen in the southeastern part of the country, and so it happen in the southwestern part of the country. Check them out if to say ESN not dey in place now, waiting for the happen in Biafran lands. Because of this ESN, now make the activities of the herdsmen people and Boko Haram people go down. Because they don't say they don't feel match the ESN people. And the IPOB in Nandekano and ESN are not got to relax because these people they keep on planning. They keep on planning. As soon as they plan, don't feel see, they don't relax. The Fulani people, all these terrorist people, they're not relaxed. They are strategizing. They don't see now ESN they are coming up with another bad thing when they want to attack ESN people. So now if you say that they sleep, now if you say that they sleep, these people they're not they sleep and they're not they give up in anything whether they do. These Janjaweed people, I don't tell them I see the blood when they inside the Middle East people. All of us know where Middle East they, all those Iraqis, all those Saddam Husseinis, all those Iranis, the kind of blood when they inside them. Now they inside this Janjaweed people in Nigeria. They are radical Islamic terrorists, these people. They are jihadists all. So they take this opportunity to tell them they can say, make it not relax. We they see your handwork and we go follow you to they propagate that good work where they do. But don't relax. Don't say, oh, I don't form ESN. They then go defeat these people and just relax everything like that. No, you have to continue to strategize day in and day out. Because these people, they are not going to relent. They don't go back now. They plan again how they want to attack the people from the southeastern part of the country to take over there. They'll say, oh, so now they cannot get that guts to roll out ESN. No. We are going to strategize. We are going to fight Namekano ESN. Now the thing, what did they do? Back in their states in the north. These Janjaweed people. So we don't have to relent. We don't have to relax. We continue to fight these people. Because if we relax, they will take over and mark you. You relax, you not relax. These people, they are strategizing and they are coming back in full force. So the news today, they tell us, say, bandit don't strike again. It is time for the FG to declare state of emergency in the north. Let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. Whether FG declare anything when he won't declare, now the same people that be. Whether FG declare emergency or state of emergency, it's not making any sense and it's not going to solve any single problem of this banditry. It's not going to solve any problem of this terrorism that is happening in Nigeria. Forget your FG. FG, they are lazy people. You don't even have anybody. The FG you are talking about is the same Fulani government, the government of Fulani people. They are in support of everything that is happening in Nigeria. Tell me the kind of emergency they won't declare that is going to help anything. Even though say they come out now tomorrow, say they don't declare state of emergency. Now men yannings, ladies and gentlemen. Because if these people then they ready to fight, this is security matter. When all hand, the same all hand they point FG. All hand dey point FG. So if you dey call FG to declare anything when they want declare, which means you're just a hypocrite. If you dey call FG, ladies and gentlemen, say make them declare anything when they want declare, like state of emergency regarding what is happening in the north or in the east or anywhere in Nigeria, brother, you are killing your time. And you are a hypocrite because you don't hear many times when different people don't come out, they point say that this FG, now them be the problem in the country. Now then cause the problem, and now then they pay these people, now then they sponsor these people, now then they do everything, they house them. I don't tell you that before. See, the Boko Haram one that they claim say that they for forest. All those things now why you the people when we see them be the bandits themselves say them they for forest. All those things now why you. I hope you get this one right into your ear. Not let these people deceive you again. Well, not deceive us again. All these things, ladies and gentlemen, these people, then they in their mansions, when they build for them, one after the other, all of them, from A to Z. Gumi don't tell you, say they know their names, they know where they live, they know who they are. They don't want to fight them because now then they use them. So why somebody will come out now, they claim, they make FG declare state of emergency. So waiting state of emergency got to do with these bandit people, or banditry, or the Boko Haram people, or Ansaru people, or Hesmen people. When you already know, say not them. Like I said before, if you they call FG to declare state of emergency, which means you are a hypocrite. Big time hypocrites, ladies and gentlemen. Anything involving FG with these people, forget. You know if you go in their middle because they are using them well. They are using these people well. It's all about business. They're making their business. The FG making their profit. The people that is called the bandit and the Boko Haram and all of them they enjoy money. That is just the game. Forget Boko Haram. It's a big business. Not be today, we know. So waiting will make somebody now. They come out, they talk, say, oh, FG declare this one. Or make FG go catch people when they... You want to make FG they kill people when they use to intimidate you? It's impossible. It's impossible. How FG go come now, they go arrest these people when they know say now the people when they use to do something? It's impossible. So make we stop all this our hypocrisy because it's not going to pay anybody. Like I said before, now only one option all of us get. You know, or if Nigeria not divide today, all of them are there inside the matter. All of them are there inside the matter. Both the FGO, both the person will not be politician, all of them are there inside the matter. So stop calling FG to declare any state of emergency because the state of emergency is not going to have any goddamn problem. They don't tell you, say, army, now they are people. Army, they live very close to their camp. Tomorrow they'll come and tell you, say, oh, we don't top the matter. We don't deploy. We go deploy. I beg me gonna go sit down all of them. Before I go blast all of them. Make we see how they take Nyan the matter, ladies and gentlemen, before it is too late. Bandit don't strike again. The headline, bandit strike again. It is time for FG to declare state of emergency in the north. Hours after killing 40 people, bandit returned to Zamfara community, abduct 80 women, children, Sahara reporters. Attack on the village seemed to be well planned and coordinated, with the gunmen charting away livestock and escaping to the forest. Where this forest, where this would escape go when they don't know where this forest they dey in the same north Zamfara. How big Zamfara dey when we say they not fit defeat these people, they not fit track these people down. I beg make all of una go sit down with una hypocrisy. Which forest? According to report, some men suspected to be bandit have abducted over 100 people, including 80 nursing mothers and children in Sabuwa Tanga village, Dankumi district, in the Menu local government area of Zamfara state. The incident occurred few hours after gunmen killed over 40 persons in the community. Sahara reporters gathered that the armed men arrived at Sambuwa Tongo on motorbikes and unleashed terror on the defenseless resident. A source noted that the attack on the village seemed to be well planned and coordinated, with the gunmen shooting away livestock and escaping to the forest. Now, why it no go be coordinated one? You think say na play, they come play? That is why I dey warn una when come from the southeastern part of the country and the southwestern part of the country. A day they come, I don't tell una, monkey go to market, he no return again. A day go come when these people then go unleash hair to every state, every city, and every villages in Nigeria. A day they come. Begin day there they tell them say it they well coordinated and it not they well coordinated. Begin day there they tell them about one Nigeria and the fake Nigeria. One day they come. One day they come. Begin to they propagate say Buhari day whereas nobody there. Begin to they propagate say Osebanjo day whereas nobody there. Begin to they propagate. One day they come for the people from the southeastern part of the country and the southwestern part of the country. Now I make me, I don't tell them now the count before say make it continue to strategize because time don't reach for Biafra to go. The time we are wasting too much time, we need to leave this country. Make them carry their wahala, make the Dudu people and the northerners carry their wahala and their jigrida. Leave us alone. Because this thing when they happen, somebody won't become president like us, Bola Tinubu. You know the yan. Then they talk about Jonathan. They know they condemn all the sins. So you go know say all of them they inside this killing our people. All of them they support this thing when they happen in Nigeria. And you go know say no go ever stop. Whether not Jonathan, if the Jonathan even become that way, it will be worst. If Tinubu become, it will be worst. And then they go allow them rest for that position. So it is better everybody just carry their degree, go their own country. Next Nigeria one of the patch. Brother, I don't tell you now. I don't want not see you not hear them. When with a nyam, when with a one. I don't tell them the canon before making declare this Biafra. Nothing they happen. Nothing they ever happen. Now talk people go talk finish, they will go sit down for where they sit down. Because when our people they suffer, nobody they can support us. What are you talking about? So, ladies and gentlemen, then they tell you now say they kill 40 people, carry over 100 people, carry livestock. Where the people wanna say them be security where them they? Where those army gallant and soldiers when una declare say una get gallant soldiers? Where those una gallant policemen when una claim say una get gallant policemen when all these things they happen? Killing 40. Tell me, recently Joe Biden go bomb this place. How many people died? Very few people. But where did they kill 40? You they tell me say one not day in Nigeria. Even in Zamfara, now him one DSS man don't claim say this Zamfara they don't take the, in fact Nigeria they don't they on their own because Nigeria not get president. Now president and their people that they answer them. Them don't go their own country already. They are not even in Nigerian people again. You dey tell them say make dem declare state of emergency. Where did they kill 40 people? They slaughter 40 people. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't ask you again. That bomb when they claim say Joe Biden go bomb Syria recently, how many people died? The whole fight when they fight in Syria, How many people died? And after somebody go say, oh, like Wazurike come and say, oh, you won't cause another war in Nigeria when there is already war, serious war in Nigeria that you're talking about. Serious civil war in Nigeria. And it no go stop until one of us go stop this fake one Nigeria, one of the chant. It no go ever stop. It no go ever stop. They continue. Also, a source in the community said the bandits with sophisticated weapons stormed the village and started shooting indiscriminately. Gunmen suspected to be armed bandits have attacked Amarowa community, the Ilela local government area of Sokoto State, killing at least 10 persons. A source in the community said a bandit with sophisticated weapons stormed the village on Sunday and started shooting. First, it was the 112 Chibok girls. The shock that shocked the nation when they were adopted by notorious Islamic sect Boko Haram. Then 110 dispatched girls happened and Leah Shaibu remained unaccounted for. 334 Kankara boys happened. Then 41 Kangara students, and lately 317 Jengibe girls were also abducted. Banditry and terrorism has become known in the northern part of Nigeria. Those who abducted the patch girls have not been arrested. Those who adopted Kankara boys have not been arrested. Those who adopted Kangara students have not been arrested. Those who adopted Jengibe girls have not been arrested. Una dey hear what they count for you. But those useless soldiers, then go southeastern part of the country, go attack ESM people when then they defend their people. Then those useless Meati Allahs in the north, they're going to open that their rotten mouths when they take the chop cola 247. They go tell FG, may they go arrest Sunday Igboho when they fight for him people, when not do them anything. Innocent man, according to their claim.